Hello everyone, welcome to Dollars So New. Today I'm going to talk about best online business ideas in 2020. I have listed 5 of them. Those 5 of them are very practical and you can start building a business based on these 5 ideas. But do not try many of them together. I'm telling you to take one and try that which is suitable for you. That's how you can grow your business in 2020. So my first idea is the Facebook ad break. What is a Facebook ad break is, and also they call it as in-stream ads. I think you have seen this some whenever you are watching Facebook video and there's a break comes and you get the video to watch. Sorry, it's ad to watch. That is a Facebook ad break, and this is very it's very good money making idea, and it's a good business. Some of my friends are doing this, and even if you have a good viral video and if it can give you maybe 1,000 or 2,000 dollars for one video, but it has to go viral, and that's how you can make more money in that. So but before you start it, you have come to this Facebook ad break policies, and you have to read this, and you cannot just apply for the Facebook ad break. There are some certain eligibilities you have to fill it, and these are the requirements that you have to complete before you apply for monetization. So the important thing is here is your Facebook page should have 10,000 followers, and this is not very difficult. What you can do is, if you are starting Facebook page, you can put some money for Facebook ad, gain this 10,000 followers. And next one is last 2 months you have to create your Facebook video should have seen 30,000 1 minute views. Here is exactly what they are saying is be creating 3 minutes videos that have generated more than 30,000 1 minute views in total over the past 2 months. So this one is not very difficult. You can do that when you reach this 10,000 followers. In this business model, what you have to do is actually look for a viral trend, or whatever the news comes in trending, you can create according to the news, or you can go for these gossips and stuff, then you can create the video. So this is how the Facebook ad break works, and this is very passive income. If you start this one, this Facebook ad break, it's surely going to be a good business idea. So let me go for my next best online business ideas in 2020. This is the second one. This second one is for freelancing. For this one, you don't want to have any money. If you have any skill, writing or whatever, even cooking, whatever, you can start a business based on the skill what you have. So let's see where you can sell your skills. Now, first thing is you can go to the website like a Fiverr, and you can list your skill what you have. You can see this, all this tab shows the skill, the jobs you can do there, even writing there. Even if you are in video animation, you can do, and if you are good at music, you can do some jobs and make some money. Now, most of the people think this Fiverr is you can get only $5 for one job. That's not true. Now, as a beginner, maybe you can start with the $5 because you don't have much popularity and you don't have authority, and you might don't have good reviews. So in this, based on those things, your price will be bit less. All right. So but when you gain some good reviews and authority in this any of these jobs, then you can charge for more. You can increase your charges. Some of the work like the SEO and all, they are charging more than $500 in the in Fiverr. So if you don't like Fiverr, you can have a lot of freelancing website like Upwork and all, and uh, you can list your skill. You can and every any skill, or you have, if you have capable to do any job, you can list there and start uh, start getting orders. Now, important thing is here, when if you don't have any skill and you don't know anything, let's say thing like that, then what you have to do is go to our website like Udemy. Go to Udemy. There are thousands of courses, or you can get for $10. You can see these courses. I'm in Udemy now. You can see the courses $10 only. There are thousands of courses there that you can learn that skill. So you can go to Udemy, and if you want to do something like web development, or if you want to do like a social media marketing, there is a courses, enough courses that you can learn this skill. Then do some courses, maybe take one or two courses and go through that. Then you will have a better idea of the about the field that you are gonna make a listing on the Fiverr. That's how you gain your knowledge, and you can start your own freelancing business in these freelancing websites. So now I'm going back to Fiverr here, because important thing is when you are listing these jobs here, there are some certain things that you need to do. You have to follow, otherwise it has something like SEO in this Fiverr as well. So there's something way that you need to write down your description and about you and all. So just go to YouTube and watch. There are enough videos about this, how to listing the Fiverr. So that's all about my second idea. My third idea is affiliate marketing. Now, most of the people, when we talk about affiliate marketing, they know it can make money, and but they afraid of this making websites, and they don't know how to do with this SEO and a lot of stuff. So what you have to do is, if you don't know the affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing is you are promoting some other person's other companies products or services, and if through your website or YouTube channel, whatever platform it is, and if it sells, you get a commission. This is very profound business idea actually, because you can make good passive income out of affiliate marketing. From the beginning, you might have some kind of work that you need to do. Then you can leave with the sites, and it will generate good income that I cannot explain how much you're going to make it, because year by year you will increase your income. Because so this is, most of the people, as I know, they just live only from the affiliate marketing, and this is very good business idea that you can start in 2020 and you can grow with it. So now the next question is, if you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, yes, there are some certain things that you need to learn. Some of them are like making website, designing of the website, SEO and all. So what I can suggest you is go to a website called Wealthy Affiliate. This is my account. I am a member of this Wealthy Affiliate. I build my website here, and I all my affiliate marketing trainings here. So what is this Wealthy Affiliate? This is a training program and the toolkit for affiliate marketing. What I'm talking about, the trainings, there are very good trainings here about this affiliate marketing. This is one of the training here, and you can see, and this is another training. So these trainings are very deep. You will learn everything about the affiliate marketing and the SEO or whatever it required. And there's tons of trainings are here. Whoever don't know anything about affiliate marketing or digital marketing, just come here and sign up. You can start the training here, and also you can get this training as a free for 7 days. I think at least you come and see how the affiliate marketing works, so you get a better idea about this digital marketing, affiliate marketing. So for payment of this Wealthy Affiliate, it's like $49. Now next question is, why are you paying every month $49? You can have $200 training or $100 or like $100 training for affiliate marketing and start. The good thing is that this Wealthy Affiliate is not only this trainings, you will have the hosting to run the website and a product research tool to run the website, and themes and other site support. Everything you will have. If you have any problem with your site, just go there and make a chat. Then they will help you in 2 minutes. So that's the best thing about this Wealthy Affiliate, because I run my website here, and you will see there's many members are here. Then these forums and these posts are most of the time it's very useful for your business. So if you are interested in building a business based on the affiliate marketing, so I suggest you to come and sign up for the affiliate. So you don't have any. It doesn't matter that you don't have any idea. After this all the trainings, you will be perfect to run the business. So that's my third idea. Next one is creating a course. Let's say you have any skill about maybe digital marketing, or run the Facebook ad, or maybe cooking, or maybe related to music. So whatever you have, there now with this internet you can make money out of them. So how do you make money? You can make a course. Let's go back to Udemy. We are in Udemy. Now when you in Udemy, you will see Teach on Udemy. Just click here and it will guide you to go for the training, creating a training, a course, become as instructor. You click here and they will guide you for how to create the course. Well, its course can be the different niches. When you sign up as instructor, they'll guide you how to find good topics to create training, and also they will review you after you creating a course. They will review how this course works, and they will review and all the videos, and they'll tell you most of the time just to adjust this one, and they'll guide you to create proper training. Now, what is the best thing with this courses, this trainings? If you make this course right, and if you are going to get good sales, and out of these sales you will get good reviews, then you will start creating a passive income. Yes, it might take this time for creating course, but if you are thinking about the best business ideas in 2020. I suggest you to learn this one and start creating courses in Udemy. After Udemy, there are a lot of platforms you can create courses and you can make money. So before you, if you are interested in this making courses, just sign up as an instructor and they will guide you for everything. All right, my last best online business ideas in 2020 is CPA Marketing. I put this as for last because the CPA Marketing need some money and need some idea about the digital marketing like Facebook ad. CPA Marketing is cost per action. You don't want to sell anything. What you have to do is get the email address and get the email address or the making call or something. So for this one, it's best way to get this kind of jobs is website called Max Bounty. This is Max Bounty. So go there and sign up. And you will have tons of programs and promotions that you can sell actually. This is my Max Bounty account. Now you can see this is one of the offer you can promote. What you have to do is promote this win an iPhone 11. So whenever you promote this one, if you get the lead, because when this landing page are going to capture the email address, what you have to do is make through your Facebook ad or this any Google ad, lead them for this landing page. Then landing page will capture the email. For this every email they're going to pay you $2.5. So there are some certain things you need to do, read before you start this one. This offer only works in the United States, country allowed. So that's how the CPA Marketing. And this is another one of the good business model that you can run. I used to run this sweepstakes like this, win iPhone 11, win Samsung, was kind of this stuff, and this is quite successful business for me. But from the beginning you might lose some money because until you have better idea about how the Facebook ad runs, you might start losing the money. So this is if you interested in CPA marketing, I would love to tell you that you better watch some videos in YouTube and come up with a better idea of how to run the Facebook ads or else Google ads, search ads. So that's my last idea of best online business ideas in 2020. So if this worked for you guys, just give me a just like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will provide you more business ideas and other information. Thank you very much guys. Have a great day.